we have to be courteous and polite sa ating mga conversation. So this is the best mood, the best tense that we can use, the conditional, no, para mas polite siyang pakinggan. For reported speech, ginagamit din siya for reported speech. Yan, nag-text si ma'am, malilate daw siya. Nuestra profesora envió un mensaje, dijo que llegaría tarde. Yan. Di bali, natin, papasadahan natin ulit bukas before we go to our discussion natin ng script, no? Yan. Additional notes. The conditional tense can appear in form of question or in a negative form by adding no. Ayan. So bukas na tong quiz.